I'm Lindsay Beresford, co-founder of Quirky Campers, the home of handmade campervans in the UK. We founded Quirky Campers with three main goals in mind. We wanted to facilitate the sharing of the planet's precious resources. We wanted to promote holidays closer to home. We wanted to catalyse more creativity and craftsmanship in the motorhome and campervan industry. Campervan holidays, by their nature, do have a carbon cost. We are working with Temwa to carbon balance every single mile driven by customers in our campervans. So while we encourage our customers to consider trips closer to home, you can rest assured that the carbon output of your trip is balanced on your behalf. We've balanced every single mile driven by our customers since the start of 2021, and we're really excited to now be doing that in partnership with Temwa.
What you get with Temwa Carbon Balance is so much more than just tree planting and sequestering carbon. It's social development with the communities we work with, it's poverty reduction, it's planting trees and working with communities to look at protecting ancient forests.
This is one of the best examples of what a carbon balance project site benefits the communities. There are over 5,000 trees that were planted and over 3,000 trees that have regenerated in this forest for the past 5 years.
If there's any businesses or individuals out there that are wondering what to do to help tackle the climate crisis, first step, understand what your carbon footprint is and balance that carbon.
Why not make your next holiday a planet positive adventure with Quirky Campers, supporting Temwa?